What's up, guys? It's your boy, and we're back for another banger. I'm back at a little pond, and today I brought along the freaking whooping stick. Check that bad boy out. We're gonna go try to get some big uns on it. Hopefully, look at that butter drag. Hopefully we'll do it. And there's a little twist on the challenge. I have a roulette wheel, and we're gonna spin it to see what bait I have to use. So I can't just use anything I want. So we'll see if I can't get on so many fish. Alright guys, so here on my roulette wheel I have choices between, well, a swim bait, a soft bait, a popper, a frog, and a jig. Popper, alright, perfect. I was kind of hoping to get the popper. There we go, start off with the popper. Let's tie it on. Let's get a freaking catch some big uns. I'm going with the Guggen Squad popper. It's in the black. I think it'll be hopefully good this morning. The water's pretty calm. So I'm gonna tie this sucker on and hopefully I don't snap this bait off. Alright boys, finally I'm gonna start fishing. First cast on the Barbie stick. Oh my goodness. I can't cast this thing. I literally cannot cast this. There we go. I just can't really cast that far, sadly, but I guess that's what you get with this reel. This is terrible. This is just terrible. I have no idea what to do. We gotta move, we gotta move. Look at this gear ratio. It's like 2-to-1 gear ratio. Barely reeling it in. Oh, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. And I don't even get to choose my baits. This is gonna suck. I gotta move. I hope no one sees me with this rod. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. All this for like 100 views probably. Oh boy. I'm gonna try standing up. See if I can get some extra cast distance. Maybe a little bit. Oh, I just missed one. I just missed one. I just missed one. Oh my gosh, my popper's all tangled up. Oh my goodness. First blow up with the Barbie rod. I hope you guys saw that. I'm not sure if you were in the angle. Ooh. Oh, I freaking missed the cast too. I hate this thing so much. So much. It barely reels in. There we go. Come on, come back. Come back. There's one. I'm on. I got one. I got one. I'm on. No way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I gotta sit down. Are you kidding me? This thing, oh my gosh, come here. You gotta be lying. Do I still have him? Oh, I do. It's not too bad. Come here, buddy. I got him. I got him. First fish on the Barbie rod. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Only been fishing probably for like 10 minutes. There he is. Little guy, but maybe about a pound. We'll let him go. The Barbie rod. Woo, I love you, baby. My baby. This is my new baby. I'm selling all my fishing rods, only getting Barbie rods. I'm sorry to talk bad about you. Woo, that was insane. Let's get some more. I'm gonna try to get another one because that was actually pretty fast. Look at that. Ooh, man, I figured this rod out. This is the absolute juice and beans and everything. Bang. That's what I'm talking about. That feels good. That took me probably half an hour to reel that fish in because of the gear ratio, but let's not worry about that, right? Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Whew. What is that? Is that a pike? Is there even pike in this lake? No, it's just a bass. Whew. Second bass already. This is insane. This is not a bad one too. All right, guys, 2 fish in already. One was decent, actually, like a 2-pounder. See if I can get any more. There he is. Just a little guy, let him go. Just a little update, guys. I've been fishing for probably about an hour. 30 fish in on this Barbie rod. I've been using the popper. I think it might be time to switch baits real soon. I might just cast around this popper just a little bit longer and maybe see. Kind of want to get another one on the popper. It's so cool to see him blow up. But yeah, we'll see what I can make happen here. Hopefully I can catch a few more fish for you guys, and I really would want to change baits, try to catch something on a different bait. What just happened? Oh, I still have him. I still have him. Oh my goodness. There's a big fish. I got him. I got him. Absolutely choked that high. Look at that fish, guys. Awesome, awesome fish on the popper. He destroyed it too. Look at this fish, guys. All right, guys, it's come to the time where I think I'm gonna change baits. So Plop Daddy's coming off, served me well, and we're gonna roll for the second bait to use. All right, guys, we're spinning for my second bait. Let's see what I get. Come on, there we go. Give me the soft bait, let's go. There we go. Soft bait time. Let's do it. I might tie on a little creature bait, Texas rig, toss it around. Bandito bug. Oh yeah. fire. Shout out to Rania, the Bandito Bugmaster. Oh, I just missed him. Oh, I just missed one. He had it. I wasn't even paying attention. Look at this. Just straight up. Oh my gosh. I think I might be able to get him. I did not sting him at all. Oh, I missed him. I was not paying attention. I'm on. There he is. Got him. Decent fish. I'm pretty sure it was the one I missed. I hope it was. That would be kind of cool. There he is. It's a little Squeak McGee. Peace out, buddy. Alright guys, so I was just thinking, this gear ratio is so slow on this reel. I was wondering if I could literally put on a swim bait on a Texas rig and burn it as fast as I can. And I think maybe I could get a bite like that. Just a little paddle tail on there. I'm gonna burn it and see. Got him. Oh, he popped off. No, we're still on. He's still on. We still on. We still on. Come here. Just a little guy. We'll take him. Swim bait complete. Little dude. See you later. It's my baby. There's a fish. What just happened? My direct. Oh, I missed him again. Is he still on there? He is. What's going on? Did I miss him? What was going on there? What just happened? I just missed a fish like 3 times. There he is again. There he is. I got him. I got him. I freaking got him. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Tiny little bass. Come here, buddy. That's why I missed you. Because you're the size of my... Never mind. Let's not go there. Alright guys. It's about 10 o'clock and I'm wrapping it up because it's getting really windy out here on the lake. It was windy. It was a lot windier than this right now. Plus, I just want to go home. I caught, I don't know, I forgot how much exactly fish, but on this freaking pile of a reel. I don't even want to use it again. I got so tired at the end of just not catching nothing. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the view. Stay tuned. I got a video coming out soon. It's a big swim bait unboxing. I got a whole bunch of swim bait stuff, new setup to unbox, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.